What's going on, friends of the internet? We got old ugly machine out of the barn a couple weeks ago, and I'm going to try to get it running since it's been sitting for who knows how long. So I'm going to have to find the carb and gas tank and seat, some plastics, for the side panels there. But everything else looks okay. But yeah, so let's at least get the carb figured out. I think it's up on a shelf somewhere, hopefully. We'll take it apart real quick too and look at it, make sure it's clean. And yeah, so let's get this XR200 running. I guess we probably should have checked for spark first. Alright, well, 18 millimeter kind of fits. Plug color looks good, so that's always nice. Yep, got spark. Okay, well, let's put some gas in it and see what happens. This is non-ethanol, 90, I think 90 octane.
I can see the fumes.
Oh boy, we're dripping.
is it a leaky petcock?
I don't know. Sometimes when these things get really dry, the gas like swells up the stuff again, but yeah, it's looking like this is dripping out the bottom.
I'm sure.
Well, we'll let old dripply dog drip here. Let's see if it starts, even with leaky gas. Maybe I'll turn into a fireball. Man, too bad it's leaking. We'd be riding. Now let me see if I can do something about the gasket on that thing. Alright, I put some gasket maker on the O-ring. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Seems to be okay. So let's see if it starts without turning into a fireball. I think it could benefit from a new plug, and the mixture's a little goofy. But she works. Been sitting for 10 years, probably more. I'll mess with the mixture, probably change the oil eventually. Good little backup bike, or maybe I'll throw it up for sale or something, someone could play with it. I appreciate you guys coming along on the ride, and I was happy that that gasket maker worked. So if you ever have a leaky petcock, you can fix that with some RTV black. I don't see any leaks. I'm going to ride it some more and keep an eye on it. But yeah, in a pinch, that worked pretty good. So, all right, I appreciate the views, and hope everyone's having a good day. Talk to you later. See ya.